Alright, we'll now explain the next 10 blocks. Let's start with round. Round will round it to the nearest whole number. Round 2.51 is 3 and round 2.49 is 2. But round 2.5, you round up. Now let's see. There are so many functions over here. Absolute will find its distance from 0. The absolute of 0 is 0. The absolute of a positive number is itself. And the absolute of a negative number is the negative of the negative number, which is the positive number. Or negative 1 times the negative number. We now go for floor. Floor will round it down to the nearest integer. For example, the floor of 2.51 is 2. The floor of 2.49 is also 2, and so is the floor of 2.5. You can try that out. Misconception. If you enter a negative number, it'll round it down, not up. So you'll get -3, not -2. Ceiling works just like the same, except that you round it up instead. And square root will find which number when multiplied by itself gives the value over here, which positive number. Sine, cosine, and tangent are trigonometric functions. You can check the trigonometry video if you want. Arc, sine, arc, cosine, and arc, tangent are also trig, which are the inverses. So, for example, arc sine will find what value when you take the sine of it will give you the value that you put in. Now let's go for ln, or natural log. ln will find e to the power of what number will give the number you input. For example, that's 0.91, about that. Log works like natural log, but you'll see 10 to the power of what number. For example, log of 10 is 1. You now go to e to the power of, e to the power of will find e to the power of the number given. This is the value of e, 2.7182818, 2845904, about that. And 10 to the power of self-explanatory. You'll find 10 to the power of the number you input. Now let's go for variables. This will return the value of the variable that, for example, right now it's 98. Now for our fourth block, we'll see the set. It will set the variable to the specific number over here. The fifth block of the day will change the variable. If you enter a negative number, it will decrease, and if you enter a positive number, it will increase. Now we have show, which will show the list, the variable, and height, which will hide. Show height, show height. Now let's see. This is the 8th block. I have a list over here, which contains of 3 things. When you click on this, it will join these 3 things together and separate them with a space. This is the 9th block, which will add something like this. And now we'll delete the item at this position. Scratch starts indexing at 1, unlike most programming languages. So just now we deleted hello, and now we're going to delete bye-bye. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe.